What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at the MoonO blood pressure monitor. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you get notified when it's videos to come, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out fibcedmonton.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. This actually has won awards, as you can see up there. It's pretty cool. We have some instruction manual right here. There you go. Pretty cool. Let's put that on the side for now. This is the design right here, which is really cool. Pay attention to the detail of this thing, right? Pretty cool. Look at this. Very cushiony. Boom. Little back side right there. Let's take off the plastic. There you go. Has a little screen up there. Start and stop button on the bottom. And a few things there. Let's keep opening the box. Let's see what else we get. Here we get the blood pressure monitor right there. You know, very good quality, of course, right? I can see why they got the awards. So it also comes with a bag, like so. Carry it around. It also comes with the cable to power up the blood pressure monitor. There you go. That's it for the box. Let's put this on the side for now. Now this is what the MoonO looks like. It has a little screen on the top here. It has a stop and start button right there. It has a very nice cushion leather material there. Pretty nice. Very comfortable when you're putting your arm there. There's also the volume button back here. The charging slot, the USB-C slot right there. Pretty good. This is where you would put the blood pressure strap right there, and then also right here. Also back here is the speaker. There we go. Now to set this up is real easy. What you need to do is just grab the little strap right here, like so. Open it up like so. There you go. Take this little tubing right here and place it on the side like so. Boom. And then you would put this on your arm like so. This one also has a little arrow right there so you won't miss it. There you go. Up and down like so. You put your arm through here. You would then put your arm like so, right above there, and then you would turn on the device. This is the app right here you want to download, the MoonO Life. Once you've downloaded it, hit open. There it is. We're just gonna go and make an account here as well. Once you put in your credentials and you verified your email, you can also put in your nickname here. Let's go with Tech TRX right here. Hit mail, date of birth. There you go. Hit next. Your height. Here it is, and then your country and region right here. Boom. Now you need to connect it through Bluetooth now. You need to have it on as well by doing that. Here it is. It'll make that sound. Once you've hit the Bluetooth there up here, then you can connect the MoonO once it's turned on. There you go. Connection succeeded. Pretty good. Let's get started. There it is, and then to start it, just gonna hit the start and stop on the back here.
Starting measurement. Please relax.
So here it is in the app as well. Once you've done a few tests, you'll be able to go back on your quarter, year, and month right there and see the trend that you have. There you go. There's also the BP measurement, kind of like a news feed right here, where you can learn more about MoonO and different news in the whole world about high blood pressure, cause chest tightness, and after quitting smoking and all that stuff, you'll be able to submerge yourself on more information there. If you're pregnant and does it elevate your blood pressure and all that stuff. If you go to care, you'll be able to add friends who also have MoonO app, and you'll be able to check their data. And also if you're trying to monitor someone like an elder or maybe someone that needs caring, you'll be able to do it with this as well. If you go to mine, this will show you all your information, unit of measurements, and also the language you can change here. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new blood pressure monitor just like this one. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.